Yo guys, it's Nova, and today I'm going to be showing you the best free Windows optimization pack for 2026. This pack is made for gamers who want better FPS, lower delay, and a smoother Windows experience without paying for anything. To get started, go to the link in the description and join the NovaTweaks Discord server. Once you're in, verify your account, then go to the free download channel. From there, click version 3 download link, and the pack should start downloading. Once it finishes, you should see it in your downloads folder, or wherever your browser saves downloads. Now, right-click the file, extract it, and open the new folder it creates. Inside the folder, you'll see the NovaTweaks utility.bat. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. When it opens, you'll see the main menu with all the options labeled from 1 to 13. The first thing you want to do is go to option 1, which creates a restore point. This is extremely important because it gives you a backup in case you ever want to revert your system back to how it was before applying the tweaks. Once the restore point is created, go back to the main menu and choose option 2, System Tweaks. Inside this section, you'll see multiple system optimizations. Start with the first option, which applies the best general Windows system tweaks. These tweaks are designed to reduce unnecessary background activity, improve system responsiveness, and optimize Windows for gaming. After that finishes, go back and apply the Advanced Service Disabler. This section disables unnecessary Windows services that can run in the background and eat up CPU resources while you're gaming. You'll see 3 different tiers: safe, moderate, and aggressive. The safe option only disables a small number of services and is best for people who want the lowest risk. The moderate option disables more services while still keeping core Windows features working. This is the option I recommend for most gamers because it lowers your process count without breaking important functionality. The aggressive option is the hardcore preset. This is for people who want the lowest process count possible and don't care about features like Xbox services, Microsoft Store features, or any other extra Windows functions. Only choose aggressive if you understand what it disables and know it fits your setup. If you try it and decide it's not right for you, you can always use the restore point we made at the beginning. The final option in the system tweak section is disable security mitigations. This feature disables certain Windows security features to improve performance. Once you open it, you'll see a gaming mode, which disables some basic security features while still trying to keep a decent balance between performance and safety. That is the option I would recommend if you choose this section. There is also an extreme performance option, but personally, I don't recommend it for most people because it can make your PC more vulnerable, especially if you download files from the internet. Only use that option if you fully understand the risk. There is also a revert option that will re-enable the default Windows security settings if you ever want to go back. Now, go to the main menu and choose option 3, Network Tweaks. First, open the Advanced Network Tweaker. This opens a separate panel with all of the network adapter tweaks inside. If you know exactly which network settings work best for your system, you can manually apply the settings you want. But if you just want the best general setup, click the Smart Optimize button and it will automatically apply the recommended settings for your adapter. After that, go back and choose the General Network Optimization. This applies widely used TCP and network settings that can help improve responsiveness and reduce latency. Just keep in mind that every internet connection is different, so network tweaks may feel better for some people than others. Next, go to QoS for games. This lets you prioritize a specific game on your network. You'll type a profile name, for example, Fortnite, and then you'll select the game's exe file. For Fortnite, you would go to this PC, then your C drive, then Program Files, Epic Games, Fortnite, Fortnite Game, Binaries, Win64, and then select Fortnite Client Win64 Shipping. Once you select it, the utility will ask if you want to prioritize packets for that game. Choose Yes. Then, it will ask you if you want to enable exclusive full screen. This depends on how you play. If you do not use stretch resolution, choose Yes for the lowest latency. If you do use stretch resolution and want to keep it working the way it does now, choose No. Back in the Network Tweaks menu, you'll also see an option to reset your network settings back to default. You'll also see options to disable or enable auto-tuning. The general idea is that normal auto-tuning can help download speeds, while disabling auto-tuning may feel better for latency on some systems. This depends on your internet connection, so you can test both and see what feels best. Now, head back to the main menu and go to CPU Tweaks. First, apply the All CPU Optimization tweak. This makes sure your CPU is set up for maximum performance while gaming. After that, choose the option for your specific CPU brand. For example, I have an AMD CPU, so I'm going to choose the AMD specific tweaks. If you do have Intel, choose the Intel specific option instead. Next, go to the GPU tweak section. Start by applying the All GPU Optimization tweak. Once that finishes, choose the option for your graphics card. If you have a NVIDIA graphics card, choose the NVIDIA tweaks. If you have an AMD, choose the AMD tweaks. This will apply graphics-related optimizations that can help improve performance and reduce latency. Now, go to Memory Tweaks. These are simple RAM-related optimizations that can improve system responsiveness and reduce stutter. Apply the memory tweaks, then go back to the main menu. Next, open storage tweaks. Start with the FS util tweak. It will ask you whether you have an SSD or hard drive. If you're not sure, open Task Manager, go to the Performance tab, and check the disk section. It should show whether your drive is an SSD or hard drive. Once you know what drive you have, choose the correct option and press Enter to apply the settings. Option 2 is only for SSDs, so skip it if you do not have one. Option 3 is only for SSDs that support power loss protection. You should look up your SSD model first to see if it supports this. If it does not, do not apply the setting because it can increase the risk of data corruption during a crash or a power loss. Option 4 is user write cache. This can improve performance and reduce stutter, but if your PC crashes or loses power during a write, there is a small risk of corruption, so only apply it if you're okay with that risk. Now, go to the Debug Windows section. This section lets you remove unnecessary apps from your computer. Some of these apps you may actually use, like the Xbox app, so the utility will ask you before removing certain apps. If you use the app, keep it. If you don't, remove it. You can also apply the Disable Printer Features tweak if you do not use a printer. After that, go back to the main menu and run Cleanup Temp Files. This deletes temporary files that your PC no longer needs and can help free up storage space. Don't worry, this will not delete your important personal files. Once that finishes, go to the Power Plan section. Here, you can import my custom NovaTweaks power plan. This power plan is made to maximize performance while still keeping cooling and stability in mind. If you already have another power plan you prefer, you can use that instead. Before we get into the final tweak, I want to quickly mention that I will soon be launching a full NovaTweaks application inside my Discord. The full app is being built to give you even more control, better optimization, higher FPS, and lower delay. So if you're interested, make sure you stay in the Discord server for more updates. Now, for the final tweak, go to BCD Tweaks. Inside this section, apply both tweaks listed. These are boot configuration tweaks that can help improve responsiveness on certain systems. If you notice any issues after applying these tweaks, you can use option 12 to revert all change settings back to default. You can also go back to the restore point that we created at the beginning. And that's it! At this point, you completed all the free NovaTweaks optimizations. After applying these tweaks, you should see better performance, lower background usage, and a smoother gaming experience overall. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and join the Discord server for more PC optimization content. I'll see you guys in the next one.